In this problem, we're told that we have a 4x4 matrix. We don't know anything about it. There are no numbers provided for us here. What we are being asked to do, however, is use matrix multiplication, ultimately use matrix multiplication to describe how we would apply two different row operations to A in a particular order. To do this, we're going to first create matrices that represent, that can apply each of these row operations. So for part A, we're asked to provide a matrix N that can perform this row operation. And as we know from class, if I start with the identity matrix, the 4x4 identity matrix, and I apply that exact same row operation but to the identity matrix, adding 4 copies of R3 to R4, so 0, 0, 0, but that's 4 of these get added to the fourth row, so 0, 0, 4, 1. This is the result of that same row operation, but it's applied to the identity matrix, and we're going to be able to use that. We'll call that N, because we're going to be able to use that to perform the row operation on A in just a moment. Okay, let's do part B. Same game. We want a matrix that we're going to call Q that quadruples the value of R4. So we're going to start with I. But I'm going to apply that exact same this new row operation, quadrupling R4, leaving everything else alone. Finally, we want to apply these two row operations to A. Now, to apply a row operation matrix to the matrix A, we're going to left multiply. Right multiplying would be a column operation. But on the left, we're going to, well, which one are we going to do first? Well, the first one we're going to do is here. It's the one we did in part B. So we're going to use this one first. Oh, we're supposed to call that Q. So I'll call that Q here. So we're going to apply Q first, and it's left multiplied. And then second, we're supposed to apply this row operation we gave that we called N. So this is the one we're going to do second, and that's going to be to the left of that result. Because you're going to apply Q first, you can put parentheses there to emphasize that we're first applying the Q row operation, and then we're going to apply the N row operation. And N times Q times A, that matrix, no matter what A is, we don't have to know what the numbers of A are, but whatever that is will be the result of applying first this row operation to A, and then second this row operation to that result.